Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jabby. If you wanna see how I created this look, please continue watching. Hi, for today I'm gonna be using this palette from Focallure. Endless Possibilities. I'm gonna be using this color right into my crease. I'm gonna clean the brush and then blend out the edges. Next color is Choco Fizz. I'm gonna add more color. And I'm going deeper into the crease. I'm gonna use a wet brush to use these mermaid tears. Such a nice color. I'm gonna use a clean brush to blend around the edges of the shimmer. I'm gonna go back to that brown shade. And kind of blend it together. The orange seems a little bit too red for me. I'm gonna use this color to make it seem orange. So for my lower lashes, I'm gonna mix these two together. I'm using highlighter to highlight my inner corner. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Eyelashes done. So this is the final look. Thank you for joining today. If you like the video, if you enjoy watching, please consider subscribe to my channel or hit the like button to support me. Thank you very much.